Hey, it's Deb Lytle here, and I've got a little new video for you on the result of cutting up the trees that fell the other day in my yard with the big windstorm. As you can see, I had a couple limbs here off of my pine trees, and I'm going to walk around the yard and show you that while I tell you about this new program that I want you to watch your email tomorrow. I'll be sending you a little summary and a demo video for this new product called GoPro Funnels. And if you're a small business or you're just getting started online in an e-commerce site or whatever it is, and you don't want to have to be stuck in a contract for monthly fees or pay all these monthly fees for the different services, this couple of guys have come up with a funnel program where you can build landing pages for your new products in your business to send out to your existing customers, and you can use them to also get some new customers for your business. And it'll just be a one-time fee during their launch, which will start tomorrow, and I will be sending you the link to that launch in another email, so watch your email tomorrow. It'll be later in the afternoon. I think it might start actually launching in the morning, so I'll send you another one tomorrow morning, and you can take a look at it. It's really great for someone just starting out in business, or even someone who's in an existing business and just wants a quick way to build some new landing pages, which are the pages that you send your customers to advertise your new product or service. And I have my Yobs Pro agency. I'm here to help you with anything you need for your small business. You can always go to yobspro.com and contact me, and I can help you with anything. These two vendors are also going to be giving you some bonuses, which are pretty good, but they could be overwhelming for a new person online. They're long PDF documents, but they explain all the different processes you need to pay attention to, or have an assistant for your business pay attention to in your online marketing. I can put some training videos out later after the fact for anyone who buys this program through me. I'll be happy to give some free training videos on how to interpret and use the different information in the PDFs that the vendors of this product actually give you as a bonus. And there's 17 or 18 bonus products they're giving you, which are really good. They're explanations of all the different facets of online marketing, but they can be tedious and hard to review on your own, and I can just put some short training videos to summarize each one of those PDFs if you buy the product through my link, which will be below in the video of, the link I send you tomorrow. It'll be a YouTube video reviewing the product, and you'll get to see everything that's included. And then again, I will help you with anything you need. You just have to contact me at yobspro.com. So I think I'll be throwing all these boughs down in here in this swale, trying to fill in this river. Look at this tree. It's just going to be a lot of work. I'll have to do a little bit each day. It's about 30 degrees out here. Got my little sled there to start hauling logs, and I'll be stacking them in between trees in the woods for now until next spring. Then I'll have to get a log splitter. And there's that big old stump. I think I'm going to end up cutting into a table. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an alert to watch for your emails tomorrow for this new product. I think it's worthwhile. You could spend anywhere from $50 to $200, and if you're actually a small business agency that offers web services to people, you may benefit from it, because you could do the agency license and have unlimited space to store and provide website building to your customers. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.